October 15th is a date that has witnessed many important historical events in the world. In 2011, a global movement against economic inequality and corporate greed known as Occupy Wall Street spread to hundreds of cities around the world. In 1991, Clarence Thomas was confirmed by the Senate as an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court by a narrow vote of 52-48, despite allegations of sexual harassment by Anita Hill. In 1990, Mikhail Gorbachev, the leader of the Soviet Union and the architect of perestroika and glasnost, was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his efforts to end the Cold War and promote democracy.
Up the middle to Sakic, taken away. Here's a break for Gretzky. Casper to Gretzky. Gretzky all alone. In front, he shoots, he scores!
In 1989, Wayne Gretzky, widely regarded as the greatest hockey player of all time, broke Gordie Howe's NHL record for most career points with his 1,851st point. In 1951, I Love Lucy, one of the most popular and influential sitcoms in television history, premiered on CBS. In 1946, Hermann Göring, one of the highest-ranking Nazi officials and a close associate of Adolf Hitler, committed suicide by cyanide in his prison cell hours before his scheduled execution. In 1945, Pierre Laval, the leader of the collaborationist Vichy regime in France during World War II, was executed for treason. In 1917, Mata Hari, a Dutch exotic dancer and spy for Germany during World War I, was executed by a firing squad in France. In 1815, Napoleon Bonaparte arrived on the island of St. Helena to begin his exile after his defeat at Waterloo. In 1582, the Gregorian calendar was introduced in Spain, Portugal, and the Papal States, after skipping 10 days to correct the drift of the Julian calendar. In 1522, Emperor Charles I of Spain appointed Hernán Cortés as governor of Mexico, after his successful conquest of the Aztec Empire. In 1520, King Henry VIII of England ordered bowling lanes at Whitehall, his main residence in London. In 533, Byzantine General Belisarius conquered Carthage from the Vandals and made his formal entry into the city.